video we're going to take a look at multi-platform campaigns. So let's go ahead and start a new campaign in the top right hand side button. Start the setup and choose multi-platform. So slightly different to the normal campaign setup. First we put the title, we choose the posting period, and we choose an image for the campaign cover. In the next screen we'll be choosing the influencers. So from the drop down menu you can choose your platforms, or you can leave it on all so you see all available. What we're going to do here is make a selection of influencers that we would like to use. Once we've done that, we can move on to the next screen, which is the payment screen. So here we'll be selecting feeds and stories and Twitter posts per each influencer and adjusting the amount we would like to pay them up front as a prepayment. Moving on to the next screen is the brief. So once you write the brief for one person, you can apply that to all platforms, and you can also apply that to all influencers. So this will carry across the briefs that you have for each platform. It will then carry it across for each influencer. Moving through the campaign setup, any additional terms to be added there, and the final overview and finish, and your multi-platform campaign is complete.